Thank you. Millions of homeowners use video doorbells for added security, but the technology may actually put you at greater risk of getting hacked.
Consumer expert Amy Davis with which doorbells are the safest and what to do to make your system harder for the hackers. Amy?
Hey guys, good morning. Consumer Reports tested 24 video doorbells and found security issues with 5 of them. So if you're asking why you should care, take a look.
Remember this video from a Ring camera installed in an 8-year-old girl's room by her parents?
I'm Santa Claus. Don't you want to be my best friend?
It was hacked by a stranger who could see and hear her every move. The girl's parents admit they did not set up the 2-factor authentication on the camera. And Consumer Reports says that is one of the best security features because even if hackers get your password, they won't be able to get into your system. Still, only 5 of the 16 brands Consumer Reports reviewed even offered 2-factor authentication. Go with one of these that does. Arlo, August, Google Nest, Ring, or SimpliSafe. The video doorbells Consumer Reports says are most vulnerable because they expose email addresses, passwords, and Wi-Fi names and passwords are UFi, GoControl, LaView, and NetView.
All right, so you should never rely on default usernames and passwords that come with those devices. Those are the easiest to hack. So reset it to a password and username you're not already using somewhere else, and make sure you set up that 2-factor authentication. Owen, Lisa?
Yeah, I think 2-factor is just like the most important. If you can do that on every single account
Right.
possible.
Yeah. They make it pretty easy, even for non-tech.
Or like Lisa, buy one that shoots out darts with venom.
Poison darts. My answer. Ask questions
Sorry,
later.
mother-in-law, when she comes to the door. That wasn't for you.
That's next year's